Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta. Today I just wanted to do something kind of chill. So I thought we'd do a planner page, and as we have just hit the height of summer, that seemed like a good day to use up some of my holiday themed stickers. So we're just gonna find the page that we need for this week. So I'm currently using a dashboard layout. So we have our days of the week on this side and our sort of planning overview section on this side. So let's move everything else out of the way. Don't need so much of that. Right. And first of all, I guess we will start straight in by looking at my seasonal books and seeing what I've got that's summery. I've got some nice bits and pieces in here. Off to the zoo, favourites, hot summer, that might be good. I mean, I'm not going on a holiday, but I could still do a lovely summery. We've got a lot of the sticker books I buy are American, so there's always an awful lot of 4th of July themed stuff, which I need to send off to one of my American subscribers, I think, so they're not wasted. Right, I think that's all that's in this one. Everything else is, yeah, other seasons. So, but we've got some nice summery bits and pieces. The summer camp will come in handy because my son is off on his cadet camp. So that is going to come around very quick. I think he goes away on the Sunday, but I will have to check. I've got some lovely big stickers in this one. This is actually a book that I bought because I loved the theming and the pictures, and then realised that it was a teacher's book. So some of the things are less useful, but I can still make them work. We've got some lovely colours. Dream, inspire, shine, grow, wish. Yeah, so that's our sort of our summary page. Let's take that one out. We've also got, so that's the first one was the Happy Memory Keeping Holidays book. This one is a Jess Miller Draws Year to Grow. This is the Cheerful Seasons book, which I have torn to shreds and used for lots of different things. Right, that's all the back to school stuff. Right, so here we are. We've got summer, yeah, 4th of July. There's some more summery bits there. More spring, right, okay. And then I've got that's one's just got dates and things in. So I think I'll start off by getting some days of the week stickers. I think we'll go yellow because this is a very blue page naturally, and I want to bring in some more of those summery vibes. So let's get some of those on the page straight away. And then I can redo the numbers. Oh! That was one of the boxes that holds my sticker books just giving up and falling apart. So there we go. I'll deal with that in a minute when my heart has stopped jumping out of my chest. I've been wanting to find a better way to store them for a while, so I guess that is that's my cue. I'll show you as it happened live on camera. So this is what I was using to store them, which is the Happy Planner storage system. Yeah, and this front bit has just gone whoop, and they've all escaped. And so there we go. Clearly too much weight on this front panel. Yeah, I could glue it, but I don't think it would ever be strong enough really, because it is just this flimsy bit of cardboard holding it in. So I think maybe I'll need to look at some, oh gosh, that is heavy, some other options. Right, back to what we were doing. Oh gosh, that's, yeah, I'm still a bit so silly. One of the, I wouldn't say it was the worst symptom of CPTSD, but certainly one of my least favourites is that my jump reflex is extreme, which both amuses and annoys my family in equal measure, I think. Because it's funny to creep up on me and see how high you can make me jump, but also I jump even just if you say hello to me and I'm not expecting it. So it's quite annoying in that respect. Okay, let's find some numbers. Here we go. We're in June. Oh my goodness, it is warm today. Is it warm where you are? Do let me know down in the comments if you are also experiencing a crazy heat wave. I am not enjoying it. I'm not a sunshine person, so the fact that I'm doing a sunshine spread in my planner is a little ridiculous, but maybe I try and, yeah, I understand the need for sunshine. I know that it's actually really good for us. Yeah, we get some of that vitamin D, be able to get outside, which is again something I struggle with. But oh, that's quite annoying. There's no 29 on that page. I have to steal 29 from another page. No, that's not straight. There. Okie dokes. And we'll just grab this June and pop it up there. Oh dear. Oh, sticky hands. There we go. No, still not straight. There are some times where I can just be happy with it, and then other times where I'm just like, no, that's going to annoy me no end. Right, that's better. Right, so I need something nice for up here. So what have we got? Do quite like those shoes with the flowers, or maybe just a big fat sunshine. Sorry, my hands are still shaking. It's ridiculous. Okay, on this page, I'm going to go... Oh, come on. Stop being awkward. Okay. Breathe. Sorry. Probably should have stopped recording. Right, sunshine and happy times. Let's just cover up those days of the week. I don't really need those. Okay, these boxes will be great for noting down my videos and such. So go Wednesday, Monday, and Friday. We always have takeout, so I'm going to put the burger one on Friday. There we go. I'm not going to put in the summer camp sticker until I've checked that it is that date, but I believe it is. I just need to go and have a look on my laptop so that I can check the dates, make sure I'm not getting it wrong. Okay, I've got some cute decorative ones here. We'll get a little bit of blue in so that it mirrors the stuff that's already on these pages. Suntan lotion, very important. This little bit here reminds me a little bit of ocean spray, so I'm going to put these waves down here. What else have we got? Oh, we've got a few more waves, these slightly different ones. Maybe, oh, these are older stickers, they're not peeling so well. Come on. I've mentioned before, but almost all of my sticker books, I think apart from maybe 2, have been bought second hand, so goodness knows how old they are. I think that sticker is. Come on. Aha, got you. Let's get some sea down the bottom. If I can get this to peel. Yes, come on. Lovely. Cover up where it says bills to pay with that one. We don't want to deal with that. No, I probably should do, but not right now. I have some sunglasses. Up. Oh, where should we put those? Here. Sunglasses. I'm not going to do another tree. I might do a pineapple one if I can. Yeah, there we go. Pineapple on Tuesday. Okay, got some flip-flops. Come on. I think it might also be the weather. Right. I'll put these down by the sea. I really want to put that big fat sunshine somewhere, but I'm not sure where. The thing with this is there is no right way or wrong way. There is no, you know, it's just fun. And let's carry on the fruity theme over here. I know that I'm not going to write much in my planner for this week because I've got, you know, a relatively quiet week. So it's nice to, you know, fill it up with some nice stickers, have some fun. I know I'm not having a summer holiday this year, so I can use the summery holiday stickers and it not matter. But, yeah. Okay, beach ball. Move on from those. Let's get some words on here. We are going to have hashtag happy life. Yes, please. Come on. Hashtag happy life. Another circle, so that sort of matches up. You know what? I think we might be nearly there. Let's just go back to. Let's have a little shell sticker there. We've got a bucket and spade. Oh. And an ice cream. Who doesn't love an ice cream? Let's have that there for fun and sun. Right, and you know what? I think that's me done. It's probably one of the quickest spreads that I've done. I've not used any washi tape, but that is going to make me happy when I'm looking at it, because it's just a lovely array of summery things. And sometimes that is all you need. I've still got plenty of space for writing, should I need to. Yeah, and I think that will do me just fine. We will call this one, what shall we call it? Let's grab a pen. I don't know how well this yellow pen will show up. We'll see. I'm gonna, oh, in fact, I could put it up there if I use a white pen. Grab my white pen, I'll put it up here, and we're going to call it Summer Fun. There. Okay, we'll pop it back into my planner so you can see it as it will be. And oh my goodness, that then puts us going into July. Where has this year gone? How are we halfway through? I feel like I'm constantly playing catch up at the moment with this year. But yeah, there we go. That is my very simple summer spread using a variety of seasonal stickers from Happy Planner. I will pop the names of the books that I've used down in the description in case you want to go look them up. As I say, nearly everything that I use has come secondhand, so you may have to look in de-stash groups to find them. But I hope you have enjoyed spending a few minutes with me doing this. I hope it's inspired you to try and decorate your own planner in a way that makes it a bit more personal to you and a bit more fun to look at. If you want to check out my other planner pages, I will pop a link to the playlist at the end of this video. And yeah, thank you for joining me. If you would like to support the channel, you can do so by joining my wonderful Patreon and YouTube members. Link is down below. It is just 99p per month. But of course, if you can't do that, you can always support the channel by liking, sharing, subscribing if you haven't already, leaving a comment down below. All of that lets the algorithm know that my videos are worth watching. So thank you for all of you that do that on the regular. I see you and I am so grateful. I'm gonna leave this here. Thank you, and until next time, stay crafty.